Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to align the watch hands of your chronograph on your TW Steel Chronograph Watch. As you can see, we have three subdials, and the one on the right is going to be the one for the 24-hour display. So this is going to be military time. As you can see, the watch hand of the military time moves as I move the big watch hands. And then we have two other subdials, one at 6 o'clock, this is going to be for the seconds hand of the chronograph, and one at 9 o'clock, this is going to be for the minute hand of the chronograph. So this big seconds hand in our case is going to be the seconds hand of the watch. If I were to start the chronograph using the upper pusher, you can see that the subdial at 6 o'clock started to move, so that is going to track our seconds. As I go past 1 minute, this is going to move to the right, signaling the fact that 1 minute has passed. But if I pause and reset, you will see that they are not perfectly aligned. So both of these watch hands should always point at 12 o'clock. In our case, they should both hit 60. In case you have a different number, they should always point perfectly at 12 o'clock. Now in our case, since we only have these subdials, what we need to do is to pull the crown to the last position. You can also see that the seconds hand has stopped. That is because this movement has a hacking. And in this position, if I press the top pusher, you will be able to see that our seconds hand goes backwards, so in the opposite direction. And as each minute passes, you can see that the minute hand of the chronograph also adjusts. So in our case, if I press the other pusher, you will see that I will go in the opposite direction, and both watch hands of the chronograph can be aligned at the same time. So in this case, we need to match both of them at 12 o'clock at the same time. In my case, as you can see, this would be 12 o'clock. And you can perfectly see that both of them are perfectly aligned. In case you go a little bit too far, you will be able to see that the minute hand of the chronograph isn't perfectly adjusted, so you can always go in the opposite direction. So as I mentioned, you need to perfectly align both at the same time. In case you aren't 100% that the seconds hand of the chronograph is perfectly aligned, you can go 1 unit to the right or to the left until you are 100% sure. When both of these watch hands are perfectly aligned at 12 o'clock, in order to finalize the process, we are going to push the crown all the way back in. And now, if I start the chronograph, you will be able to see that the seconds hand has started. Now I'm going to pause it, and when I reset it, both of the watch hands are now perfectly aligned at 12 o'clock. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today on how to align the chronograph watch hands on your TW Steel watch. I also have a full guide with how to set the time and date, and also a full guide on how to replace the watch battery and replace the strap. In case that is something that you are interested in, I'm going to leave the links in the description box below. If you found value from this video, guys, I would really appreciate if you give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot to me. And also, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.